Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai. Practically guys, any Hyundai. It doesn't matter if it's a Hyundai Sonata, Elantra, if it's Santa Fe, Tucson, Veloster guys, Accent. If you want to know what are the symptoms of bad purge control valve and how it can affect your engine, stay with us, we'll cover that today. And make sure to stay until the end guys, okay? And we'll explain also how to test and how to know if the purge valve is bad. So we're going to cover all that today. Now before we start, let me tell you guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything. Another thing, why we do that, simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else guys, if you need to buy a new camshaft position sensor, any of the tools, parts that we use in our videos, check out guys the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get all the tools and parts that you need for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So this specifically guys, you can see right here, it's a 2013 Hyundai, but doesn't matter what it is guys, most of them use that design from on any Hyundai Sonata that we worked all the way from year 2000 guys. So this is the purge valve, and that purge valve has been used in almost any Hyundai vehicle you can think of that design guys, and Kia as well, because they work together. Now let me explain what it does first, and then we'll cover the symptoms quick. You can see it has two hoses that go in the purge valve, one here, one on the other side. On this side it says canister. Canister is that device that catches the fuel vapors in the fuel tank. Those vapors will be brought to the purge valve, and when the computer activates the purge valve, through that hose here, it will be the fuel vapors will be injected in the intake manifold, and from there, it will burn through the engine. So the purpose of that valve is emissions, guys. It will make your car more efficient. It will be better on gas. You will not waste gasoline in the atmosphere, and you will not pollute the atmosphere. And another thing, guys, you will just use that extra gasoline vapors to power up your vehicle. But when they fail, it can affect your Hyundai, guys, in a way that I dropped it, in a way that you may think you have even something else bad. Number one thing, guys, if you have engine light on, that relates to evap codes, such as anything from P0440 to code P0449. It could be, guys, a bad purge valve. And we'll have a video that explains how to test it, how to test purge control valve on Hyundai Sonata. Or on Hyundai. I think we'll have even on any Hyundai, guys, video how to do that. Another thing, if you have a engine light on the dash that says something like fuel mixture lean, that could be even due to that thing, because a purge valve that is stuck open will cause symptoms like vacuum leak. Your car will get more air, and that can throw off the codes. You can even get a code for bad oxygen sensor just because of that thing, guys. And to continue, what else it can cause? Rough idle, because if it's stuck open, your car will get more air. That will lead to lean fuel mixture, and that can result into rough idle, unstable engine operation, and a hard time starting the vehicle. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.